How to Increase YouTube Captions Font Size, 2025 Updated Guide. Having trouble reading small subtitles on YouTube? Let me show you how to increase the font size of captions in just a few easy steps. On desktop, PC, or laptop. 1. Open YouTube in your browser and play any video. 2. Click the settings gear icon on the video player. 3. Select Subtitles CC, then click Options. 4. Now you'll see customization options. Click on Font Size. 5. Choose from small, medium, large, or extra large depending on your preference. You can also change font style, background color, and even window opacity. On Android or iPhone, 1. Go to your phone's settings, not the YouTube app. 2. Search or tap on accessibility. 3. Find and tap on captions or subtitles. 4. Enable captions if they're off. Choose text size and set it to your liking, from normal to huge. You can also change color and style from here. Now, when you watch YouTube videos, your captions will appear larger and clearer, just the way you set them. Bonus tip: these settings affect other apps too, like Netflix or TikTok if they support system-level captions. If this helped, don't forget to subscribe for more quick tech tips. Let